western Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Welch, Oregon, 18 miles northwest of Lamesa, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lamesa, Welch, Lamesa Municipal Airport, Los Ibanes, Pumpkin Center, Arvana, and Hancock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.